Hello, welcome at 10 Commandments for Stock Investment YouTube channel. IBM stock is falling. What's behind the downward move? By Eric J. Savitz, July 6, 2021. International Business Machines stock continues to sag following the company's Friday announcement. IBM stock is sliding because Red Hat chief Whitehurst's departure caught investors off guard. IBM stock is trading sharply lower Friday after the company announced a management shuffle that included the surprise departure from the company of IBM President and former Red Hat CEO Jim Whitehurst. Although this is a negative from a headline perspective, we think IBM has a deep senior leadership bench that should enable the company to navigate through key executive transitions, one analyst says. IBM, ticker, IBM, stock on Tuesday is down 1.5% to $137.93. Boosting the stock's two-day decline to 6%. Stifel analyst David Grossman wrote in a research note Tuesday that many observers had thought Whitehurst eventually would succeed Krishna as CEO of the company. It remains unclear why Whitehurst is leaving, Grossman wrote, adding that leaving the question unanswered could create an overhang on the stock. But Grossman repeated his buy rating on IBM shares, keeping his $151 target price, noting that the stock now sports a 4.7% dividend yield. Every weekday evening we highlight the consequential market news of the day and explain what's likely to matter tomorrow. Morgan Stanley analyst Katie Huberty writes in a research note that Whitehurst's departure is more of a natural progression than a red flag, adding that while investors are concerned that this has negative read-throughs for the health of IBM's hybrid cloud business and/or future outlook, we see this as a natural progression for Jim, as most of the Red Hat integration is complete. Meanwhile, she notes that there is the potential that a widespread recent email outage at IBM could affect the timing of some deals and impact second quarter financial results. She notes that IBM has shifted to new internally hosted email servers, and that the migration didn't go as planned, leaving some employees with intermittent email access and no access to their calendars for 4 to 5 days. This could lead to some revenue recognition being pushed out, as IBM reportedly requires contractee signatures before midnight on the last day of the quarter to book a deal as revenue in the quarter, she writes. In addition to any impact in the June quarter, the outage raises some reputational risk for IBM Services, which manages thousands of customer migrations similar to this one each year. God is good, all the time. All the time, God is good.